Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation 9ax plus 9b minus 6 is equal to 21. And we're asked, based on the equation, what is the value of ax plus b? So the first thing we want to do is we want to get this 6 over to the other side. So if we add 6 to both sides, this cancels, and we have 9ax plus 9b is equal to 21 plus 6 is 27. Now, we have 9ax plus 9b, and we're looking for 1ax plus 1b. So we have to recognize that this equation is equal to 9 times the equation this expression is equal to 9 times the expression we're looking for. 9ax plus 9b is equal to 9 times ax plus b, right? And if you want to check this, redistribute out that 9, and you'll get right back to here. We know that this is equal to 27, so if we want to solve for ax plus b, we want to find out what its value is. If we divide both sides by 9, these 9s cancel, we just have ax plus b on its own is equal to 27 over 9 is 3. So based on the equation, the value of ax plus b is 3, which means a is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.